Should have like and subscribe. Playing MX HV All Out. I got my KTM 250. Butter. I'm gonna go to the motocross track. Gotta keep it ready for a minute. Ooh, I don't get hurt. Right there, you can see how far I'm revving up. See that red thing? So that's how you see how far it's revving up. And if that turns red, that means I got the clutch. And I just hit a hay bale. Okay, I need to start paying attention. I hate staying inside playing games. It's cold though. I got a brake tap too far. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna get my 450. Oh god, why I just fought Sky? Ah, OG. Ooh. I need to start going out more on that turn, revving it, and then going that. Ooh. That one hurt. OJ that. Ooh. Now I need to start going out more on this turn right there. Dang it. I almost had it. So, now we can go around here, and then just OJ. Case, whatever you want to call it. Tell me in the comments, does OJ stand for over jump? OJ. Okay, that was pretty good. Ugh, that's gonna hurt. Suspension flex. Okay, I'm gonna go to this track over here. Okay, I'm gonna get the Kawasaki 250. Right here, 2017. Now we're gonna do a freestyle race. Boink. That's a suspension flex right there. I'm playing. Sing a little bit. Oh, make that. OJ and I have. But the what? Wherever I'm gonna go. Drop. Good. That's pretty good. Let's go. That's gonna hurt. Don't crash. Whew. No, it went away my score. Brother, I hate this. That might hurt. Ugh. This is rigged. Like, for real. I think I had enough room to do a backflip right then, but I didn't. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let that go in. If I do something not stupid. Eesh. I only got 52 seconds. Oh god. Hill clipper? Ooh. Backwards? In the backwards loop? Go Willie. Stoppy. Oh god. Don't fall. Don't fall. That might hurt. Like I said. I got an idea and do another trick. Like ASAP. I got 8. Wait, not. Is that last? Dang, I got last. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.